Now is your chance to purchase 145 acres in Butler County, Nebraska, selling on our unreserved online auction, August 15th. Bidding opens August 1st. Make plans to add this irrigated farm in the heart of Platte River Valley to your operation. Located just east of Bellwood, Nebraska on Highway 64. This property has an 8-tower T&L pivot, 50 horsepower electric motor with pump, irrigation pipe, and 1-pipe trailer. The well was just sleeved and the bowls were rebuilt last year. The electric motor was rebuilt 3 years ago, and the pivot is serviced annually. Access to the south side of the railroad tracks is through the neighbor's property on the west. For more information, contact your farm and ranch specialist, Jim Stock, at 402-920-0604 or John Stock at 402-920-3180.